1?
Is it okay if the sheet hasn't updated? Yeah, I'll just keep the score and
Yeah.
it's okay.
I think that's
Can you
fine.
make the scoreboard show both teams'
I will
score?
draw a duck.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'll be alternating back and forth.
Yeah, so for a reminder, this is going to be our first round with visual bonuses, I believe. And so those function the same way as they do at national finals. If you guys have experience with that, or if you've watched videos on YouTube, hopefully you know how they work. Pretty self-explanatory. If the picture does not show on your screen, let us know and we'll get it fixed immediately. Do you guys have any questions?
All right.
No. Let's start.
Nope. You're
Yeah.
good to go.
I agree. All right. So how are you guys?
So the sheet hasn't updated, but I can just start it and then we can do that later.
All right. Okay. This cow is a bomb.
It's a very demonic looking chicken.
I feel like that's less
Horns.
important, right? Than just getting a
This is a cow.
This chicken. Wait.
All right, let's run through a very quick buzzer checks, starting with A4, A3, A captain, A1, B1, B captain, B3, B4. Beautiful. All right, are both teams ready to begin?
Yes.
I will reset. All right, we will begin round 12 with
Am I
a.
acknowledging, right?
Yes, you'll be. So he will be acknowledging you today, and I'll be reading and calling interrupts. Okay, so first question is a toss-up in chemistry. Short answer. What organic functional group is formed in the reaction of a ketone with an excess of sodium borohydride?
Was B3?
Carboxylic acid.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
A captain?
Diol.
Sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was alcohol. Toss-up Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following statements regarding oceanic productivity is false? W. Productivity in tropical oceans is limited by nutrient supply. X. Productivity is lowest in the open ocean. Y. Mid-latitude oceans have one phytoplankton bloom per year. Z. Productivity in the southern Atlantic is greater than in other polar oceans.
B4?
Why?
That is correct. Your bonus in Earth and space is short answer. Order the following 4 astronomical objects by the expected width of their spectral lines from narrowest to broadest. 1. The jet from an active galactic nucleus. 2. The thin accretion disk around an active galactic nucleus. 3. A planetary nebula. 4. A red dwarf.
I don't want to figure this out. Just say some random numbers.
What? Okay, let's go.
I don't know.
2, 3, 1, 4.
2, 3, 1, 4.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was 4, 3, 1, 2. Your next toss-up is in math, short answer. As of 2023, what is the only one of the Clay Mathematics Institute's Millennium Prize problems that has been completely solved?
A4?
Einstein towings?
Sorry, that is incorrect.
B captain?
Poincare conjecture.
That is correct. Your bonus in math is short answer. Identify all of the following 4 shapes that may be constructed with a straight edge and compass in finitely many steps. 1. A square. 2. A regular decagon. 3. A regular 17gon. 4. A regular 18gon.
Not 4, 3, 1. Let me know for 1 is 2. Let me know for 2. 2 is
Can you make a
2 times 5. So yes. 1, 2, and 3.
That is correct. Your next toss-up is in physics, multiple choice. Which of the following units of distance is the longest? W, an astronomical unit. X, a parsec. Y, a light year. Z, a gigameter.
B3?
X.
Is correct. Your bonus is visual, and it is in physics, short answer.
Give me a sec.
Shown in the image is a Feynman diagram illustrating a specific type of radioactive decay. Answer the following 2 questions regarding this diagram. 1. What are the particles represented by the labels A and B, respectively? 2. If an oxygen 15 nucleus undergoes the process shown in the diagram, what is the resulting nucleus?
20 seconds.
Beta minus? Or sorry,
A
beta plus?
is positron, B
Positron.
is electron neutrino.
Okay.
And what was the second question?
0015 undergoes.
015 does this. What's the
then-
resulting?
This is beta plus, so it goes to up one. So
5 seconds.
F50.
Okay. Positron, electron neutrino, and fluorine 15.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was positron, electron neutrino, and nitrogen 15. Your next toss-up is an energy short answer. Researchers at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab recently developed multi-element ink, which allows semiconductor manufacturing at much lower temperatures. They use what class of ceramic materials that are commonly found in solar cells?
B3.
Perovskite.
Is correct. Your bonus is visual in energy short answer.
Give me a sec.
Scientists at Helen Wills Neuroscience Institute at UC Berkeley are studying ways to implement next-gen 7T MRI machines, which have significantly improved resolution compared to other MRI machines. The images below show some of the images produced by this newest MRI technique. Answer the following 2 questions about this image. 1. What lobe of the brain is highlighted in orange in all 3 scans? 2. The highlighted regions show accumulation of modified tau microfibrils, a characteristic of Alzheimer's disease. What functional group, when added to tau microfibrils, causes this destabilization?
2 might be acetyl.
And one is
It's either frontal or occipital, but I don't know which way is the front. Occipital?
that's frontal.
Okay, and
Frontal and acetal.
Sorry, the correct answer was occipital and phosphate.
oh, I didn't know that.
Your next toss-up is in biology, and it is short answer. Proton transfer in Bacteriorhodopsin relies on the cis-trans isomerization of a Schiff base formed between retinal and which amino acid?
B4.
Lysine?
Is correct. Your bonus in biology is multiple choice. A fetus that has congenital adrenal hyperplasia suffers a mutation in an enzyme 21 hydroxylase, leading to virilization of the XX fetus. Which of the following statements is not true? W. If left untreated, the fetus will have atypical genitalia. X. The mutation to 21 hydroxylase leads to increased cortisol production. Y. Adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulation is greatly increased. Z. Mutant 21 hydroxylase will not effectively synthesize cholesterol.
Wait, it's multiple choice?
Yeah, it's which is
I
false.
think it's oh, wait,
I thought it
false.
was, that was something.
Wait, false. What was the... No, I think it's go X, please.
X?
Is correct. Your next toss-up in math is short answer. Let U and V be unit length vectors in R3. Which of the following 4 options could describe the locus of vectors x in R3 satisfying u dot x equals 0 and v dot x equals 0 simultaneously? 1. The empty set. 2. A single point. 3. A line. 4. A plane.
B4.
Why?
Sorry, that's incorrect.
A captain.
A line?
I'm sorry, that's also incorrect. The correct answer was 3 and 4, a line and a plane. Your next toss-up is in physics, multiple choice. Which of the following Miller indices for the same FCC system will have the smallest interplanar spacing? W, 1, 0, 0, X, 1, 1, 0, Y, 1, 1, 1, Z, 2, 0, 0.
A captain.
Why?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
B captain.
C?
Is correct. Your bonus is visual in physics, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is a Oh.
No, this one.
Shown in the image is a top-down view of a spring oscillating on a horizontal circular table. The table's radius and rotational velocity are shown in the diagram, along with the spring's unstretched length, spring constant, and mass. Assuming that the spring's oscillations are negligible compared to the radius of the table, and ignoring all Coriolis forces, answer the following 2 questions about this system. 1. What is the equilibrium length of the spring in meters? 2. How many oscillations does the spring make in 1 revolution of the table?
5 seconds.
2 and 1.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was 1 and 4.
NG.
Your next toss-up is in biology, and it is multiple choice. Which of the following
Oh, that's half.
Oh, that's a half.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
I forgot if we were doing half.
Yeah,
In
I'll
the
get
rush. Yep. All right. Score at the half. North Hollywood 44. Canyon Crest at 0.
So we're gonna keep going.
Yeah, so we'll skip the 2 minute break.
Oh, should I check for the names? Okay, perfect. A4. What's your name? Could you guys just go through your names real quick? Yeah.
Hi, Michelle.
Michelle. Okay. A3. Your name is?
Alex.
Sean. No, I'm Sean.
Oh, sorry.
I'm Alex.
You're Alex. Okay, and then Flora. Okay.
Our names have like the same
And then B1.
Phoebe.
Okay. And then B Captain.
Go ahead.
Yep. B3.
Honor. Okay, do we
Honor.
just-
Then B4 would be.
Also, no, at the end, like, when
Does that look
go,
okay?
They can, like,
And then I'm guessing no
some really
substitutions for the
funny
second
stuff.
grade. Okay.
I think you can copy and paste.
I guess you can't copy.
The last question was question 8.
You might be able to play it. Just use my question. Up to 5. It's doable. Doesn't matter. But I want to play science. What's the math?
All right, are we ready to commence the second half?
And we'd start from toss up.
Starting with toss-up 9, correct. So if both teams are ready, we will resume the round. Our next toss-up in biology, multiple choice. Which of the following hypophysiotropic hormones in the hypothalamus is responsible for stimulating the secretion of follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone? W. Corticotropin-releasing hormone. X. Growth hormone-releasing hormone. Y. Somatointerrupt.
B4.
Is correct. Bonus in biology, multiple choice. The myogenic response is a mechanism by which the kidney regulates the rate of urine production. In this mechanism, activation of stretch receptors triggers the reduction of GFR by causing vasoconstriction in which of the following types of vessels? W. Efferent arterial. X. Afferent arterial. Y. Peritubular capillary. Z. Collecting duct.
X.
That is correct. Next toss-up is in Earth and space. Short answer. What is the term for the zone of subducted lithosphere where earthquakes may occur? Interrupt.
A1.
Is correct. Bonus Earth and space. Short answer. Nereid, one of Neptune's largest moons, has an apparent magnitude that fluctuates by nearly 1. Aside from its irregular shape, what property of Nereid, also observed in Pluto's moons and Hyperion, is the primary cause of this fluctuation?
It's like ice or something.
Ice. Maybe we say
Ice.
okay, ice, final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was chaotic rotation. Toss-up in chemistry, short answer. The 0-point energy of a particle in a one-dimensional box is 20.2 electron volts. What is the energy in electron volts emitted when the particle drops from the n equals 4 to n equals 3 energy levels?
Time.
Sorry, the correct answer was 141.4. Your next toss-up is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab seek to understand ion molecular interactions in battery electrolytes. Which of the following techniques would be most effective in describing and predicting these interactions? W. X-ray diffraction. X. Fluorescence spectroscopy. Y. NMR spectroscopy. Z. Molecular dynamic simulations.
A captain.
Z?
Is correct. Your bonus is visual in energy and short answer.
Okay, give me 1 sec.
Might have to skip.
Yeah. What question is it?
12.
Oh.
Researchers in the Bediaco lab at UC Berkeley are exploring using moire patterns through stacked graphene lattices with a certain rotational offset. If researchers can offset the lattices at increments of exactly 3 degrees, how many distinct twisted bilayer structures can be produced, including no rotational offset?
120 question mark?
I feel like that's not going to be that easy, no?
I don't know.
Okay, what if it is, What if it's just like mind games? Yeah. Maybe
5 seconds.
What 120 final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was 20. Next toss-up is in biology, multiple choice. The visual contrast of the subject matter is enhanced due to lateral inhibition of the visual input by which of the following cell types in the retina? W. Ganglion cells. Interrupt.
A3.
W.
Sorry, that's incorrect. I'll reread the question to the other team. Toss-up biology, multiple choice. The visual contrast of the subject matter is enhanced due to lateral inhibition of the visual input by which of the following cell types in the retina? W. Ganglion cells. X. Muller cells. Y. Amacrine cells. Z. Horizontal cells.
B4.
Z?
Is correct. Your bonus is visual in biology and short answer. Shown below is a picture of Bacillus anthracis. Answer the following two questions about this image. 1. Name the structure that is targeted in the staining procedure that produces the picture below. 2. Identify all of the following three molecules that can trigger PAMP recognition. 1. Peptidoglycan. 2. Anthrax toxin. 3. Lipopolysaccharide.
Wait, one and two. Wait. Cell wall 1 and 3.
Is correct. Your next toss-up is in Earth and space, short answer. An observer standing at a latitude of 10 degrees north observes a star at a right ascension of 2 hours and a declination of 30 degrees. At the same time, a different observer is standing at a latitude of 60 degrees north. At what declination in degrees does the second observer see the star?
B, Captain.
60.
Sorry, that is not correct.
A1.
80.
Sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was -20. Toss-up chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following prefixes describes the benzene substitution pattern of the major organic product formed in the Lewis acid catalyzed reaction of nitrobenzene with acetyl chloride? W. Ortho. X. Meta. Y. Para. Z. Ipso.
B3.
X.
Is correct. Your bonus in chemistry is multiple choice. Which of the following are possible terms in the Hamiltonian for multi-electron atoms that prevent the Schrödinger equation from being solved exactly? W. Kinetic energy of the electrons. X. Kinetic energy of the nuclei. Y. Coulombic attraction between electrons and protons. Z. Coulombic repulsion between electrons.
Oh. Oh. Z.
That is correct. Toss-up in math, short answer. Order the following three classes of vector spaces by containment with the smallest class first. 1. Banach space. 2. Frechet space. 3. Hilbert space.
B4.
2, 1, 3.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
A4.
3, 1, 2.
That is correct. Bonus math, short answer. What is the largest value of k such that the graph of the equation x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 8y equals k in R2 has entirely non-negative xy solutions?
I am very tempted to say 25. Non-negative solutions?
5 seconds.
Go with 25.
Okay. 25 final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was minus 16.
I don't know what this is.
Your next toss-up is in energy multiple choice. Researchers at Berkeley Lab are investigating various theories to explain the origin and behavior of gravity and gravitational energy. In general relativity, gravity is modeled as the curvature of space-time by celestial objects. What is the name of the space of flat zero-curvature space? Interrupt.
B, Captain.
Minkowski.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. I'll reread the question to the other team. Toss-up energy multiple choice. Researchers at Berkeley Lab are investigating various theories to explain the origin and behavior of gravity and gravitational energy. In general relativity, gravity is modeled as the curvature of spacetime by celestial objects. What is the name of the space of flat, zero-curvature spacetime with 3 spatial and 1 temporal dimensions? W. De Sitter space. X. Anti-de Sitter space. Y. Riemannian space. Z. Minkowski space.
A1.
Z?
That is correct. Your bonus in energy is multiple choice. Scientists at the Kate Lab are studying translation regulation by studying large protein complex ELF3. They attach a solution of the ELF3 protein complexes to carbon-coated grids and then resolve their structures using which of the following techniques? W. X-ray crystallography. X. Cryo-electron microscopy. Y. Scanning tunneling electron microscopy. Z. Nuclear magnetic imaging.
Okay. You know what? We take only W, so we answer W. Alright, that's good.
W, final.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer was X. Cryo-electron microscopy, and that is the round.
Alright.
Final score.
Final score was North Hollywood 90 and then CCA 20. Be careful of the wires, huh? That was good. So initially, it was so stressful figuring out the screens, but I think we handled it really well. Of course. Yeah. So
Are we ready to go, by the way? Stream is ready to go? Okay.
as long as North Hollywood stays there. Same order, right? No substitutions, or was it? Okay. So Phoebe, the names are correct, right? What you see on the screen? Okay, perfect. Sweet. Where's MSJ?
This is fine.
Where is Mission
I hope we make our fight.
Why are you hugging your face?
Frisbee.
Well, Nate will understand. I don't know if our other teachers.
We don't know.
Oh, they won't have time. So if either you do I think you just have to do a.
Half 13, half 14, or we do
No.
full 30.
Full 30.
So they're just doing full 30.
Well, you
Play
would hope
13
that-
until we can, right? Like as long as we can, and then
that's all we can do.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
So we're second again.
And
Where do
thank
the
you for
mics?
letting us play. Thank you.
Okay.
We don't know.
So this is our current plan is to just read round 13 until we can't anymore, right? And then decide at the at whatever
I
point
mean, we're
that
fine
is.
with just having them win because
Yeah.
they deserve it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get the
You guys already want to.
like, I mean, if we can win this,
This is
like,
hard. You have depth of ball.
if they've already beat us once, So I think they do.
Okay, wait. So do you guys have your fourth teammate?
Okay, let's
Okay.
start.
Yeah. So he has to get here as soon as
Like, let's
possible.
give him 2 minutes, yeah, and then we'll start. 8 + 8, no half time.
I'd like to remind everybody, please speak into your microphones as well as you can, because this is going to be live streamed and recorded, and so we'd really like to get some good audio out of it to show future teams to compete in BSB, because hopefully you guys have had a good time and want to, advertise this competition to everyone else. So, yeah.
I think it's genuinely a really good tournament. For the apps, even though delays.
All right. Let's run through some quick buzzer checks starting from that side. So B4, B3, B captain, B1. Awesome. So A1, A captain. A4.
Don't trip. Careful.
And A3. It looks like we are ready to go. If we have no...
Could we give names real quick? So A1, your name is?
Oh, I'm Annie.
Annie, and then A captain? Okay, and then A3?
I'm led by
And then A4?
Roshan.
Okay, looking
All
good?
right, awesome.
They said don't speak into the mic because like it's live stream.
All right, could we get some quiet in the auditorium, please?
Stressful.
And could I have some science judges standing at each of the entrances to make sure we don't have anyone coming in and distracting? Are both teams ready to go?
Yes.
All right, and so with that, we will begin our final round, 13, with a toss-up in physics multiple choice. An LC circuit is most analogous to which of the following mechanical systems? W, a barrel rolling down an incline. X, a fluid flowing without resistance. Y, a mass oscillate interrupt.
B captain.
Why?
Is correct. Your bonus in physics is multiple choice. A uniformly charged insulating sphere of radius 5 is placed at the origin. At which of the following coordinates is the magnitude of the electric field the greatest? W, 1, 0, 0. X, 4, 3, 0. Y, 5, 1, 1. Z, 1, 2, 2.
X.
It's correct. Your toss-up in Earth and space is multiple choice. Which of the following aluminosilicate minerals forms at the highest temperature and lowest pressure? W, kyanite. X, sillimanite. Y, andalusite. Z, granulite.
Buzz B4.
Why?
That is incorrect.
A4.
Andalusite.
Sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was kyanite. Your next toss-up is in Earth and space. Sorry, that should not be correct. Your next toss-up is in chemistry. Short answer. What is the IUPAC name of the major organic product formed when potassium tertbutoxide is reacted with isopropyl iodide?
A1.
Propene.
Is correct. Bonus in chemistry, multiple choice. Arthur is performing a reductive amination in which he adds an amine to a ketone in the first step. Which of the following pH levels is the most desirable for this reaction? W, 1, X, 4, Y, 7, Z, 10.
It's X.
4.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Wait.
That is correct. Toss-up biology, short answer. Order the following 3 methods of NADH entry into the mitochondria by increasing efficiency. 1, glycerol phosphate shuffle. 2, diffusion across mitochondrial membranes. 3, malate oxaloacetate shuffle.
B4.
3, 1, 2.
Sorry, that is incorrect.
A captain.
1, 3, 2.
Sorry, that's also incorrect. The correct answer was 2, 1, 3. Your next toss-up is in energy, short answer. The UTSAT group at UC Berkeley has been studying nano-confined systems which can be modeled using a 1D particle in a box. If the length of such a system is doubled, by what factor does its ground state energy change?
B4.
1, 8.
Sorry, that is not correct.
A1.
1, 4.
That is correct. Your bonus in energy is visual and short answer.
Sorry, give me 1 sec. It's gonna be.
Researchers at the Kante lab are studying new semiconducting materials in order to create lasers that reliably function when scaled in size. Shown in the image is the band structure observed when holes of uniform size and spacing were etched using lithography into indium gallium arsenide phosphide. Answer the following 2 questions about this image. 1, what quantity is represented on the Kx and Ky axes? 2, what is the term for the hexagon-like drawing in the top left corner, which is thought of as a unit cell in reciprocal space?
No idea.
Wait, the second one's like reciprocal lattice. I don't know.
Reciprocal
I
lattice.
don't know what the term is.
And then KX.
Wait, no, for the hexagon.
Oh, reciprocal
Wait, I
lattice.
don't know.
and
I'm
then-
just guessing.
5 seconds.
Okay, do like
energy and like
Valence and
Valence and conduction bands.
Sorry, the correct answer was 1 was wave vector and 2 was Brouillon zone. Toss up in math, short answer. An ant takes an infinite random walk on a grid of d dimensions. What is the highest dimension d such that the ant is guaranteed to cross its starting point?
what's that?
Power's disconnected.
Oh. Wait, I think the lights got back.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. B captain
2.
is correct. Your bonus in math is short answer. A positive integer leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 3, a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, and a remainder of 9 when divided by 11. What is the smallest such integer?
229. 229.
That is correct. Toss up in energy, multiple choice. Researchers at the Bergner lab at UC Berkeley have studied ice phase reactions of hydrocarbons and oxygen in conditions resembling those of the interstellar medium. Which of the following is a possible product of the reaction between oxygen and ethane? W. Ethylene oxide. X. Acetaldehyde. Y. Ketene. Z. Carbon dioxide.
B3.
X.
Is correct. Bonus in energy, short answer. Scientists at the Zhang lab at UC Berkeley are developing drugs with an acrylamide group that target mutated regions in oncogene proteins. What canonical amino acid is most likely to undergo a Michael addition with an acrylamide to form a covalent bond?
What function? It's a thing that has one functional group, like one amino acid.
Sure. Or
Same as the one.
oh. Methionine.
Sure.
Methionine.
Sorry, the correct answer was cysteine. Toss up in biology, short answer. In the Calvin cycle, the conversion of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate requires 6 equivalents of what cofactor?
B4.
Coenzyme A.
Sorry, that is not correct.
A captain.
Coenzyme Q.
Sorry, that's also incorrect. The correct answer was NAD+. Toss up in chemistry, short answer. Jordan is analyzing a complex reaction coordinate when he finds that it proceeds via 7 distinct transition states. How many reactive intermediates must have been formed in interrupt?
B3.
6.
That is correct. Your bonus in chemistry is visual, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is a small molecule pharmaceutical drug known as BM212, which has shown promise in treating bacterial infections such as tuberculosis. Answer the following 2 questions regarding this image. 1. The structure labeled A, known as pyrrole, is a common moiety in medicinal chemistry. What is the general term for an organic molecule, such as pyrrole, that contains a non-carbon atom within the ring backbone? 2. Is structure A aromatic, anti-aromatic, or non-aromatic?
Just go aromatic if it doesn't come up with
3, 4, and then the nitrogen. Anti-aromatic and
Heterocyclic and anti-aromatic.
Sorry, the correct answer for the first option was heterocycle, but 2 is aromatic. Toss up in physics, short answer. The diffusion equation has been successful in describing a variety of seemingly unrelated physical phenomena, such as heat flow. In the analogy between diffusion and heat flow, the diffusion coefficient most directly corresponds to what quantity?
A3.
heat capacity.
Sorry, that's not correct.
B captain.
Thermal conductivity.
That is correct. Bonus physics, short answer. Arthur measures the period of a pendulum of length L on planet X to be 2 seconds. On Earth, Constantine measures the period of a pendulum of length 3L to be 3 seconds. To the nearest integer and in meters per second squared, what is the gravitational field strength on planet X?
specific.
5 seconds.
3.4.
Sorry, the correct answer was 13. Toss up in Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following types of precipitation occurs when frozen precipitation melts and then refreezes into interrupt?
A4.
Sleet.
Is correct. Your bonus in Earth and space is visual, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is a view of Mount Rose and Lake Tahoe located in the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Answer the following 2 questions. 1. The Sierra Nevada was created through what type of mountain building which occurs at active continental margins? 2. The Lake Tahoe Basin was formed by a downdropped block between 2 normal faults. What is the term for this type of fault block?
The second one is graben, and the first one was what type of
What kind of
fault block? Okay, 1 is fault block, and 2 is graben.
okay, active? It's like what kind of
Wait.
mountain?
Downdropped, right?
Yeah, downdrop, and then 2 perpendicular faults.
Wait.
5 seconds.
Okay, yeah.
Go for it. Fault block.
Fault block and graben.
Sorry, 2 was Graben, but 1 was Andean type, and that's the half.
Yeah, score at the half was 40 for North Hollywood, Mission San Jose 22.
And so we will just continue playing.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
of course. The next toss-up is in math. Short answer, if I could get everyone to please be quiet. What is the partial derivative with respect to y of the following expression? Sine of the quantity e to the power xy.
A3.
e to the xy cosine e to the xy times x.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus is visual and in math. Short answer. Shown in the image is a triangle ABC with side lengths 13, 14, and 15. The triangle's incircle I is shown in blue below. A second circle J with an approximate radius of 1.35 is tangent to I as well as sides AB and AC. Answer the following 2 questions about this image. 1. What is the radius of circle I? 2. A third circle K is drawn tangent to circle J, AC, and AB. What is its radius to the nearest tenth?
Oh my.
Need like sine A.
Okay, just guess it.
5 seconds.
I guess like 1.8.
1.8.
Yeah.
Sorry, the correct answer was 4 1/2.
Oh.
Toss-up energy. Short answer. Researchers of the UTSAT group at UC Berkeley analyzed the energetics of electrons in nanocrystals, where the system is excited to have a total quantum spin of 1. What term describes quantum states with an overall spin of 1?
A4.
Bosonic.
Sorry, that is not correct.
Time.
Sorry, the correct answer was triplet. Toss-up in Earth and space. Short answer. Consider the formation of a moon around 2 identically sized planets. If the first planet has a density 8 times of the second, how many times closer to the center of the second planet could a moon form compared to the center of the first planet?
A4.
3.
Sorry, that is not correct.
B captain.
2 right 2.
Sorry, that's also incorrect. The correct answer was just 2.
And 2.
Toss-up in chemistry. Multiple choice. The Van't Hoff factor for acetic acid dissolving in benzene is around 0.5, while the Van't Hoff factor for acetone under the same conditions is around 1. Interrupt.
B3.
Hydrogen bonding.
Sorry, that is not correct. I'll reread the question to the other team. Toss-up in chemistry. Multiple choice. The Van't Hoff factor for acetic acid dissolving in benzene is around 0.5, while the Van't Hoff factor for acetone under the same conditions is around 1. Which of the following best explains this observation? W. Acetone interacts more strongly with benzene via London dispersion forces. X. Acetone has a higher vapor pressure than acetic acid. Y. Acetic acid forms dimers in benzene. Z. Acetic acid forms hydrogen bonds to benzene molecules.
A1.
Why?
Is correct. Your bonus in chemistry is short answer. Rank the following 3 cyclohexane conformations in terms of increasing energy. 1. Boat. 2. Chair. 3. Twist boat.
Hang on. This boat is like this. So it's, wait. I'm so dumb. 2, 1, 3, I think. Take your time.
So twist boat more than
Twist-
boat.
Yeah.
2 1 3.
Yeah. This boat should be a relative min.
Okay.
Or not.
2 1 3.
Sorry, the correct answer was 2, 3, 1.
Sorry.
Toss-up biology. Multiple choice. RNA sequencing is often used to determine the intron and exon boundaries in DNA, which primer anneals to the polyadenylation signal to begin reverse transcription. W. Oligo-DT. X. PCR. Y. M13. Z. T7.
A captain.
W.
That is correct. Your bonus in biology is short answer. Identify all of the following 3 mutagens that act as intercalating agents. 1. Nitrosoguanidine. 2. Acridine orange. 3. Aflatoxin.
Aflatoxin. 3 intercalates.
Acridine and one.
1. Okay.
One only.
Afro. And then acridine.
5 seconds.
Go for it.
1, 2.
Sorry, the correct answer was just 2.
Oh.
Toss up in math, short answer. A 2x2 matrix has trace 0 and determinant minus 2025. What are its 2 eigenvalues?
B captain.
45 and negative 45.
That is correct. Bonus in math, short answer. What is the volume contained by a cup of height 4 with its sides traced out by the function z equals x squared plus y squared?
Don't start. Just guess what sounds right.
5 seconds. Yeah. Sorry.
8 pi.
That is correct. Stop the clock.
Yes.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Paper.
No.
Okay. Ready whenever.
I'm gonna skip that toss-up.
So what do you want me to do on this?
19? Blanket. All right. Your next toss-up is in biology, and it is multiple choice. Catalytic triads are an important part of the active site of many hydrolyzing enzymes. This mechanism occurs through the use of an acid, a base, and a nucleophile. Which of the following is not used as a nucleophile in catalytic triads? W. Cysteine. X. Methionine. Y. Serine. Z. Threonine.
B4.
Cysteine. Oh,
Sorry, that is not correct.
A captain.
X.
That is correct.
Nice.
Your bonus in biology is visual, and it is short answer. Shown in the image is the metabolic pathway for production of acetyl-CoA from fatty acids. Answer the following 2 questions about this image. 1. What reactant denoted as A is required to produce L3-hydroxyacyl-CoA? 2. The enzyme acyl-CoA acetyltransferase catalyzes the reaction between 2 acyl-CoA molecules. This reaction is the reverse of what name reaction involving 2 enolizable esters?
2 enol. Okay, that's reverse Clayson. Second one is Clayson, I think. Yeah. I have. This is just
reactant
not
A?
in my. What is that reagent?
Reactant A.
Yeah, what is reactant?
It forms L3 hydro.
5 seconds.
Clayson.
Just 2.
Sorry, the second option was Claisen condensation, but the first was water.
Oh.
Toss-up chemistry, short answer. A spontaneous voltaic cell consists of a copper cathode suspended in 3 molar Cu2 plus solution and an iron anode suspended in 2 molar Fe2 plus solution. Identify all of the following 3 modifications to the cell which would result in an increased cell potential. 1. Increasing the temperature. 2. Increasing the concentration of Cu2 plus to 4 molar. 3. Replacing the cathode with silver suspended in 3 molar Ag plus solution.
B3.
2 and 3.
Sorry, that is not correct.
A1.
3.
Sorry, the correct answer was 1 and 3.
Oh.
Your next toss-up is in math, short answer. Consider the Fibonacci sequence with first and second terms equal to 1. What is the greatest common divisor of the 16th interrupt?
A3.
1.
Sorry, that is not correct. I'll read it to the other team. Toss-up math, short answer. Consider the Fibonacci sequence with first and second terms equal to 1. What is the greatest common divisor of the 16th and 248th terms of this sequence?
Oh, also.
Clear?
Alright, it's a bonus.
Toss it.
8.
Sorry, that's not correct. The correct answer was 21.
Okay, we gotta go.
That's standard round. Yeah.
That's it anyway. All right, I guess final
Thank
score.
you so much.
Final
This is a
score:
good
North
tournament.
Hollywood 58.
Thank you.
Christian San Jose 42. So much is going on.
Dude, that was way too intense, bro. Yeah, way too intense. Of course.